Hi. Today we're going to a place called Cheruchakki Chola, and this place is kind of in Thrissur district. It's a very interesting place. It's a very small waterfall. If you coming from the place Wadakkanchery, you can go from Thrissur to Wadakkanchery, and you take a route from Wadakkanchery to Kunnamakulam. And there is a small store called Mangad. The Mangad you can take a right turn, and from right turn it's around around 3 kilometers. And I think it better you ask the people near there to this, where is this Cheruchakki Chola, where this is or the Cheruchakki Waterfall, and they will let you know. And it's kind of part of the forest land, and there is a small board, but it's very hard to find it, hard to notice it. But I will prefer you. I will ask you to ask the people nearby. On the way to the Cheruchakki Chola, just keep climbing up. This path is really nice. You can listen to a lot of sounds and beautiful scenery. The air is fresh, and make sure that when you climb up, beware of the leeches. And you can find a lot of butterflies, and keep going up. Don't need to take the right, just keep the left and keep walking up. And then you can find a lot of different varieties of plants and butterflies there, so get a really good camera, and you can take a nice shots and enjoy the walk, enjoy the hike. And I was so amazed to see how this myths about the Cheruchakki Chola is emerging, and I was so interested to know more about this Cheruchakki Chola, and I hope you like this video. There's a story about Cheruchakki Chola that they saying that there is to be an aboriginal head or a tribal head, and he was gifted with a lot of talents, and he know how to save, like cure people. And unfortunately he didn't have any kids, so he prayed to the forest god, and finally the forest god said that, yeah, I'm gonna gift you with a baby girl, but you must know that you must make sure that this baby girl won't get out of the forest, so you need to make sure to keep her inside the forest. And he tried his best not to let the baby to get out of the forest. But the baby girl, she just want to get out from her house, and she want to meet the villagers. She want to meet the outside of the forest. So she went outside. She meet the villagers and the people around there. So the tribal head, he got upset. He said, "No, you can't, because the god asked me for this favor, so I can't let you go out." So he locked her in a room, and then she started to cry and cry and cry, and her tears started to come out. And there's a myth and the belief that this Cheruchakki Chola, the water is her tears, and so that she can go out down the stream, and then she can meet all the friends and villages. So when I hear this story, I was like, oh, it's a really interesting place, and I just want to go there to see it. And here I am, and here you are, watching the small fall, and where this Cheruchakki is crying, her tears is going down the stream and meeting the friends and villages. And it's a really nice place, and I hope that you can come. It's in Thrissur district, on the way from Wadakkanchery to Kunnamakulam, and you can stop there in Mangad and take a right turn and just to take a walk. And you ask people near here, they will tell you. It's a nice place to hang around for a week and a hike, and great fresh air. And if you want to take a shower or a swim, you can, but careful, it's a little bit slippery. Hi, Cheruchakki Chola is in Thrissur district. It's in the south of India, in Kerala. And if you want to come to Cheruchakki Chola, you need to take a bus to Kunnamakulam or to Wadakkanchery. There's this train station near Wadakkanchery, and if you move from Wadakkanchery to Kunnamakulam, there's a stop near, it's called Mangad. And if you're coming from Kunnamakulam too also, you need to stop near the station called the Mangad. From the Mangad, you can take a tuk-tuk, or you can take a taxi. It's very hard to find a taxi, so if you want to take a taxi, I will prefer you to take a taxi from Wadakkanchery or Kunnamakulam. And near the Mangad, I think when you reach Mangad, you can ask the villagers or people near there, where is Cheruchakki Chola. Unfortunately, I don't think if you take a taxi from Wadakkanchery or Kunnamakulam, people will know about it. I don't think so. So you better ask when you reach in Mangad. And from Mangad, you go up to the hill. It's around 3 to 4 kilometers. And you stop there. You can just go and walk through the forest, and you can find this Cheruchakki Chola. And I hope you can have a really good camera, nice hiking shoes, and beware of the leeches. And also sometimes when it's a rainy season, it's a little bit slippery, so you need to be really careful. And you can swim, but still you be careful with it. It's a little bit slippery. and I hope you like this video, and please let me know your comments and suggestions, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you then.